Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by combining essential prerequisites with immediate actions so you get results fast. First, confirm your network. Try Wi-Fi then cellular to isolate connectivity. Once you confirm access, restart the Google app or browser and install any pending updates. Outdated builds often hang. Then clear cache and cookies to remove corrupt stored data. Signing out and back in refreshes authentication. These steps remove common barriers quickly, so you can move into deeper fixes only if the problem persists. Once done with basics, you tackle the more complex causes that require system-level checks. Disable browser extensions or try incognito. Third-party add-ons often block Google scripts. Flush DNS to clear stale records and temporarily switch to a public DNS like 8 so name resolution isn't the bottleneck. Inspect your host's file and proxy or VPN settings because misroutes can stop requests. Also make sure system date and time are correct. Incorrect clocks break secure connections and cause services to fail. To finish, you apply final corrective measures that restore a clean environment. Create a fresh browser profile or reinstall the Google app after exporting bookmarks and settings. Reinstalling removes corrupted program files. Reset network settings or run OS updates and repairs to fix low-level drivers and certificates. If the issue remains, capture error messages, timestamps, and console/network logs so you have evidence. One key tip: test the same account on another device. If Google works there, focus on local profile or device-level repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.